Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to show you the brand new Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro. As you can see, we have here the box from the Xiaomi. This is the Redmi K20 Pro. As I said, we have the name all over the box, even in behind or in the back we have K20 Pro. And here we have some specification about this particular device. So the Redmi K20 Pro comes with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of RAM. It's Type-C and it has multiple functions that we are going to see after we start unboxing. So let's start by opening this box. As you can see, we have here a pretty good color in both of the boxes right here. We have here a case. Firstly the SIM card opener. We have here all the papers, user manuals, also this beautiful case. In back it says Redmi, designed by Xiaomi. It's hard to pick in camera. Here you go. And for the first time now we can see or take a look at the phone. I'm just going to tip it to get out. We have here some specification, all in Chinese. We have the battery here for 1000 mAh. In the back, as you can see, we have a picture here to tell us for the SIM card slot. We have all the data right here and a beautiful carbon fiber body, as you can see in the reflection of the light. Let's go ahead and take this off. And reveal this beautiful camera. Let's power it on, and you can see the theme that is going in the Redmi K20 Pro. We have a red button, we have a red camera. As you can see, we have 3 cameras right here. Now we can see this beautiful 6.39-inch screen, AMOLED. As you can see, it flows really good. We don't have any notch. We don't have a bit notch we have here in the bottom, but it's very beautiful, very good colors. So let's get back to the phone later. Let's see what we got here in the box. We have the charging brick, as you can see. All the specifications for the charging is right here. And we have the cable as well. So as we know, the K20 Pro has a Snapdragon 855 that works really good. As you can see, it is very fast phone. You can clearly see all the details and the screen is really good. In the back we have a three camera setup. So these cameras start with 48 megapixel for wide. We have 8 megapixel for telephoto, and we have a 13 megapixel for ultra wide. We have 3 camera here, and we are going to test it a bit later. We just had to show you what we got here. The front camera is a 20 megapixel, and you wonder where is the front camera. Actually, the front camera is in the, it will pop up from the top like in the OnePlus 7 Pro. And wait for that video, it will be interesting to test the K20 Pro versus the OnePlus Pro 7 Pro, sorry. So let's get back to the phone, and as we can see in the back or in the side, we have here the Type-C, we have the SIM card slot, the speaker. In the side we have the button to turn it on and off, the volume. In the top we have earphone plug-in, and we have the camera. So as you can see, this phone really shows the beautiful Xiaomi what created. Let's go to the settings first, see about the phone. We have here some information about the K20 Pro. We have the CPU, RAM, internal storage, and we have some details in the and all these options. We have the system update right here. So that's pretty much it for the K20 Pro. It's like in all the phones, except the front camera, and we will be showing you the front camera when we test the this phone with OnePlus 7 Pro. Let's go ahead and see what we got here, starting with slow motion, short video, photo, 48 megapixel, portrait, night mode, panorama, and pro. Let's go and take some photo with the K20 Pro and see how it will perform in the dark, during the day, and everything else. So you can see now that what this phone is capable, what he can do. The photos are great, and this phone works really good. We are going to test and compare with other phones and make a video testing all the processors and the speed with Antutu app. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.